In today's times of corona, we all need to stay safe. We need to sanitize our hands, we need to wear a mask. But what about the cars that we drive in every day? How do you sanitize them? Today we are doing a small video on how to keep your car sanitized and safe during these tough times. We are at Carzspa, a car detailing studio on RV College, Mysore Road. Let's see how things get done here and how to stay safe. We can also disinfect our cars at home by simply adding a cup of disinfectant like Dettol or Lysol into a bucket of water and wiping down the whole car with it after the wash. Just like the exteriors, the interiors also need to be disinfected. The high touch points like the steering wheel, the knobs, the door handles and the seats need to be disinfected thoroughly. So we are with the owner of the Carzspa RV College branch, and he will explain a lot more about the sanitization process. So Mr. Nayan, hello,
sir.
welcome to the show. Please go ahead.
Sir, we are doing sanitization based washing as of now because it's very required for at this moment.
Okay.
And we are doing a foam wash with sanitizer based.
Okay.
Because when people come and touch here,
The
germs may
be
transferred. And that's also there. And also even interiors also we are doing sanitizer based dashboard polish, which helps in disinfecting.
Okay. And you were also telling about the
ozone treatment. Yes, that is also there. That is we are doing for 30 minutes.
Okay.
That helps in killing the germs inside the AC vents and all over the vehicle inside cockpit.
That is so if you want to keep your car safe, get it disinfected at Carzspa here, come along, get your car, get everything done, stay safe. Thank you. Hope these basic disinfection details could help you in disinfecting your car. You can take it to a professional, get it disinfected once. You can maintain it, doing it very frequently on a day-to-day basis at home so that we all stay safe from this pandemic and keep our families safe. For more automotive content, do subscribe to our Flywheel channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll keep getting you updates from the automotive world. Thank you.